colored sand for freedom and democracy in a foreign land. Body bags come in flags on coffins draped while contractors laugh all the way to the bank. Bring the troops home, end this bloody game. Shut down the empire, stop feeding the flame. Military industrial complex, feast on the dead, while politicians sell us out for blood money instead. No more forever wars, no more lies. Pack up the bases, let the young men survive. Israel buys our leaders with AIPAC. It's getting old. Foreign lobby writing policy. Truth gets sold. Politicians dancing on Epstein's marionette strings. Blackmail files heavy with their dirty sins. Names in the files, flights on the plane. Yet to dodge the shame they scream anti-Semite. Your sons bleed out for someone else's fight, while lobbyists from Tel Aviv drink and laugh all night. We're not the world's police, we're not their sword. And the occupation cut the puppet cord from Baghdad to Kabul to Gaza's ruins. The empire is addicted to power and the destruction they keep ruining.